We would like to give a big shout out to our sponsor, Sonic Electronics, so check them out for great deals on speakers, head units, amps, subs, wiring, etc. Use discount code ProvoBeast for an instant 5% off your next purchase during checkout. Provo Beast doing another unboxing today. We're doing the TacoTunes ReCurve system. Simply put, it's a fancy line-out converter with a lot of adjustments for each crossover point to really drive really the sound you're looking for. It's essentially a fancy line-out converter with an equalizer on it. So we're going to get this all pulled apart to kind of show you the details of what it looks like. Okay, so we got this all pulled apart here for you. Now it does do its own bass knob system, so if your amplifier has a bass knob, it's really not needed because the ReCurve will do it for you. It's applied with our cabling, our actual knob itself, instructions, mounting hardware, and the device itself. Now as you can see, each channel, front versus sub, has its own equalizer, so you can really adjust each frequency to your liking. You have those gain settings as well, and the RCA outputs. We have high level inputs, speaker level inputs. We also have low level inputs from RCAs. And then we have outputs as well. Now they're just low level outputs, essentially going to an amplifier. And then we have power, ground, remote, everything that we'll need there. So that's our system. Nice thing is there's so many different adjustments here. As you can see, each channel has its own adjustment. We have adjustments for every frequency. And we have the gain for every frequency as well. So essentially this really helps you clean up the audio from your factory system to feed into your aftermarket amplifier. If you'd like to see this unit where it was installed, go ahead and check the description. I'll throw a link there once the video becomes available of the install itself. We're throwing this into a 2017 Toyota Tundra. So that is it. If you have any questions about this unboxing, just go ahead and post a comment below. Thanks guys for watching the channel, and we'll certainly see you in the next video.